The ability to see knowledge as a tree rather than one huge ladder is, I think, pretty important. But it's worth paying attention to schools' failing ability to educate students as such, at least the majority of them. Take the classic example of the college student majoring in a STEM field. He or she will go through their schooling encountering a multitude of technical, rigorous, and specialized courses. Take for example my current schedule. I'm an engineering student, and going down this list, it's prevalent how many math and science courses I've taken, save for a few English writing classes. The argument still is plastered on every news site, college counselor's memo, and online ad. Major in STEM to innovate or create, or as I like to read it, major in STEM to get a high-paying job. This recycled and uniform educational structure claims to push for innovation, discovery, and invention, but fails to take a look at what makes great engineers, scientists, and entrepreneurs great. It's common to make note of their engineering or science backgrounds, but this is an analysis done superficially. The magician who shaped and molded our modern world, Nikola Tesla, has impacted the modern electrical system with inventions such as three-phase electric power, the induction motor, and a cloning machine from the film The Prestige. Tesla said, "Of all things, I like books best." Now this statement, simple but impactful, encapsulates the essence of what the humanities can do for an individual. Diving into a book or pontificating on a modernist painting does to the mind what no other medium can do. It lets it play. Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and even Jeff Bezos all attribute their creativity to countless hours reading and pondering over literature. Some examples include The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Plato's Republic, and Shakespeare. This lateral perspective on knowledge and information supersedes a specialized and deep view. Finding inspiration when you least expect it has lasting effects and is multiplied as you increase the number of your differing experiences. Take for instance the heart-wrenching film A Beautiful Mind. In the movie, schizophrenic mathematician John Nash is busy slaving away trying to find the perfect topic for his thesis. On a whim, his roommates decide to take him for a few drinks at a nearby bar. This unexpected turn of events influences Nash to theorize what would become the basis for his contributions to game theory and economics. New York Times bestseller Originals by Adam Grant brushes through various observations on some of the most impactful and creative individuals throughout history and what led them to their spark of creativity. In a neatly organized table, Grant describes a Michigan State University study that analyzed the engagement in the arts among Nobel Prize winners. They discovered that scientists engaging in artistic hobbies such as drawing and painting have a 7 times greater chance of winning a Nobel Prize when compared to their peers. This should not be a surprise. People that open themselves to new ways of thinking and experiences such as the arts find the arts to be a strong source of creative insight. Now the point isn't to go out and read a bunch of books or start painting, although those are very authentic hobbies to have. The punchline, if you will, is to understand how things can be changed and improved in a world where globalization has led to outsourcing every job from manufacturing to programming. If engineering and more importantly innovation is to continue to thrive and make notable contributions to society that impact human life, we need all to take a step back and try to appreciate how these lucrative yet life-changing fields interconnect with everything else.